Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we're going to be looking at curbside pickup deals, valid until the 22nd of July, so till Saturday. You're going to hit that blue button on the left-hand side, order this through a desktop computer or cell phone, and go to the store. Hi, my name is Barry Smith. And they'll be like, Mr. Smith, we'll get your order in 1 second. It is that easy. So just follow along, especially if you're new to this. And there are some savings to be had and found with curbside deals. You're more of a tactile shopper. You like to go in the store, see what they have, and you're like, yeah, that curbside stuff is great and all, but I love to go in the store. I hear you, and I might be the same way myself. I made a video yesterday going through basic deals and then going through a $50 basket. I'll link it at the end if you wish to check it out. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it really helps me out, helps out the channel. If you could take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. First piece of business I want to touch on is that they're having 7 days of beauty. So if you go to the main page of the app, there should be a little banner saying 7 days of beauty. Today it's 20% off dental, grooming, that sort of stuff with the code CARE20. Just going through this very quickly, grab a screenshot. It's also on your app as well. Every day there's a code, and this all has to be done as a curbside. There is no in-store with these promotions, so just be mindful of that. Next week, they're going to be doing something also with my Walgreens in celebration, and there's some good deals we're going to be looking at. I think the better deals are going to be next week. To get 20% off, it's kind of like using a coupon code, and this is probably going to be off of stuff that isn't on sale, so there's going to be 100 different, things. But every day, if you're desperate for shampoo or whatever, you can get 20 to 25% off. You might want to check that out and see what's itemized every day using these different codes. First piece of business I do want to talk about is a lot of us had an $8 or a $5 digital. We didn't do the deals 2 weeks ago when these came out. And guess what? Walgreens took them away. And a lot of you that have been calling customer service, they're just giving us the basic runaround of sorry, Charlie, it's gone. Try and get a supervisor on the phone. Maybe they might comp you the $13 of Walgreens cash. If you did in fact buy them, it's worth a shot. But it's also one of these things that they're like, well, it's our discretion. We pulled the coupon. But they had it for 2 weeks. So I'm just as stupid as you guys. I have no idea why they're pulling this stuff. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at, the first 2 deals we're going to look at actually involve this booster of earn 20 when you spend $40. It's of a one-time use, so if you used it already, it's a one and done. But if you haven't used it, here's a fantastic deal. We're going to be throwing in 2 of the Dove deodorants priced at $8.23, and then 2 of the Tide lights at $20. We're going to load the following digital coupons that include the Tide Pod for $3, and then for that deodorant, a very generous coupon showed up later on Sunday, which is $7.50 off a 2. Load that one. That's a really fantastic coupon. To get the basket to $40, we're still going. We're going to throw in 2 of the 99-cent Snickers fun size, and then 2 of the Dove body washes for $14 on the nose. Now we have to load the following digital coupons. That is a 7 off a 2 for the Dove. Bar soap is not included, and it could be the men or the women you pick. And then for the Snickers, we have a 2 off 2. This could be done only as a curbside because in store, there is no overage with digital coupons, so it's not going to work. Here are all the lovely coupons coming off. And if you look at Mars Wrigley, which is Snickers, it's down to $1.98. So it reduced itself down. In store, it's not going to do that for a $2 coupon, and we already know that. Looking at the overall basket, our subtotal is $44.21. The curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. $19.48 in digital's coming off. With your debit card, pay $26.77 as you're using a booster, and then you're getting back $24 in Walgreens cash. 4 for the Dove body wash, and then 20 for that general booster. So this is a terrific deal. It basically shakes everything out to free any way you slice it or dice it. And it's very nice to get those deodorants for free as well, along with those Snickers mini size candy bars. I know a lot of you will be excited about that one. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at again is with that booster. The last two deals are not with this booster, just to note that. We're going to need this guy loaded for this specific deal, 20 back when you spend 40, so that's basically 50% back. Friends, we're going to throw in 2 of those 4 counts of the Walgreens toilet paper for $1.99. If you cannot put that in your basket, maybe try the 79-cent Walgreens toilet paper. They're the single rolls, along with 2 of the Dove body washes, and we need the 7 off 2 digital loaded for this deal. The next items that we're going to load include 2 of the Skintimate shave creams, 2 of the mini size or the fun size Snickers, and then we're gonna also add in 1 Schick men's disposable razor and 1 Schick ladies disposable razors. Now this is the course line of coupons that you need loaded for this deal that include the $3 off for the women's, and if you don't like the one that I picked, you can always change it around to a different razor. We also have the $3 off for the men's. Very happy about that. And then for the shaving cream, there's 2 different digitals that include this $1.50 off. I know not everybody received this one, but I did for whatever reason. And then I also have a $1 off that appeared on Sunday morning for the shave cream. The final coupon that you need loaded for this deal is a 2 off of 2 for the Snickers, and that one's going to get reduced down to cost. And this one they might pull any time this week. We all know that, so get your fun size right away. Here's the gorgeous chorus line of coupons melting off right there. Looking at the overall basket, guys, it is $40.92. Curbside pickup is free. Tax $17.48 in digitals coming off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $25.37 and then get back $29, which is really fantastic. We're going to get back $20 for the booster, and then $5 for the Schick deal. Spend $20, get back $5, and another $4 for the Dove body wash deal. So this is a complete freebie and money maker. Any way you slice it or dice it, like an A-OK perfect deal. Do love. What a great deal. Final 2 deals we're going to look at is using Walgreens cash if you wish. We're going to grab 2 of those Snickers fun sizes for $1.98. They're 99 cents a pop this week. And then 5 of the Tide Simply liquids for $11.25. That is $9 for 4, so the third one, that's why it's $11.25. That's how the math is mathing. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is a $2 off the Snickers. And then we're also going to look at our basket here where we have $13.23. Curbside pickup is free, 93 cents in tax, and $1.98 off. So you're going to pay $12.18. You know what I personally would do? I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.18. So that's a fantastic deal. The final deal that we're looking at, well, this is quite predictable. Let's grab 6 of these Walgreens toilet paper, so it's a 4 count. I believe this toilet paper is very, very similar to Charmin. That amount is $11.94. Curbside pickup is free, 99 cents in tax, for a new total of $12.93. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.93 and call this a steal of a deal. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.